So we're going to talk about turning mixed numbers into improper fractions so that we can multiply. So if I start with 3 and 1/4, because my denominator is 4, that means one whole is going to be equal to 4/4 because of my denominator. So if I have 3 wholes, that means I'd have 4/4 plus 4/4 plus 4/4. Oh, not 1/4, 4/4. So there are my 3 wholes. But I have this extra 1/4 that I have to add on. So 3 and 1/4 as an improper fraction would be 4, 8, 12, 13. Fourths. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you practice 2 more. So try these 2, pause the video, work it out, and then play the video. We'll talk about the answer. So for 4 and 2/5, 1 whole is equal to 5/5, right? And since there's 4 wholes, I would have to do 5/5 plus 5/5 plus 5/5 plus 5/5. And then I've got an extra 2/5, right? So now I have to add on that 2/5 as well. 5, 10, 15, 20, 22. Fifths. We'll do the same thing down here. I'm going to add 7/7 6 times. Now, that's a lot to do, right? What you could do is go, okay, I've got 7/7 as 1 whole, and I've got 6 wholes. I'm going to multiply it by 6 and have my 42 sevenths. It's a lot quicker than adding 7/7 6 times, right? But I still have to add this 3/7 on. And then my answer here would be 45 sevenths. Done. So I want you to go try some on your own, okay? There's a worksheet on Schoology in the Monday folder. I have office hours today from 10 to 11 if you need help. On that worksheet, the second page of the worksheet is the answers, okay? But realize, guys, if you just look at the answers, it's not going to help you. So do the work and then check yourself with the answers on the next page. All right? Hope you guys have a great day. Please get in touch with me if you have questions about anything. Bye.